Hi, everyone, and welcome for day 3 of week 33 of your daily language review. As always, you should have completed today on your own, and you are here to make sure that you got all the right answers. Sorry, as I adjust, there we go, the camera. Make sure you follow along, and let's get started. Number 1 says, I had to write a book report for school. So there are a few issues here. Had is already past tense, so we do not need to add ed to show that it's past tense. So it should just say, I had to write. Then the next mistake that I notice is with the word write. When you're spelling write as in to write your name, there is a silent W at the beginning. So write is spelled W-R-I-T-E. And then last but not least, there's a spelling issue with school. School should be spelled S-C-H-O-O-L. School. So that's it for number 1. Number 2. For my report, I read The Mouse and the Motorcycle. So in this one, here where it says red, that's spelled as in the color red. If you're spelling red, it's exactly the same way that you spell read. R-E-A-D. Read. Red. And then the other issue here is in the title of the book, The Mouse and the Motorcycle. So because it's a title, the mouse and motorcycle should all be capitalized. So that's it for number 2. In number 3, your job was to add the correct punctuation. And in this sentence, there were spoken words. So that's when we need to add quotation marks, right? So here it says, I wrote the story is about a mouse, or I wrote the story is about a mouse that lives in a hotel room. So after I wrote, there should be a comma because that indicates that it's switching to the spoken words or the written words. And then next, the beginning of the quote starts right before the, so you need quotation marks right there. And then once again, the quote ends after hotel room, so you need quotation marks after the period to show that it's the end of the quote. So that's it for number 3. In number 4, your job is to underline the verb phrase. Now remember, a verb is an action. So let's read it and let's see if you found the right one. The story begins with when Keith and his parents check in to the hotel room. So checking in is the action here. So that is what you should have underlined. So that is it for day 3 of week 33 of your daily language review.